Does speaking in front of a crowd leave your child feeling like there's a tiger in a room? If yes, then this video is for you. Effectively encourage your child to speak with confidence and ease by using these 3 simple tools of combating stage fright. First, practice public speaking. The best way to combat stage fright is good preparation. Practicing in front of a mirror is definitely gonna help. Second, actively encourage. Be encouraging to your child and show your investment in whatever they are creating. This is definitely gonna act as a motivator for your child. And third, create positive feedback loop. Stuttering, stammering, butterflies in your stomach, clammy hands, all these are common symptoms of stage fright. So in order to reverse this, ask your child to practice deep breathing, facial expressions, confident posture, emphatic hand gestures, also the volume, in order to release the pent-up energy productively. So, what are you waiting for? Tell us in the comment sections what's the best tool that you used to combat stage